Hello guys, Pasquale is here from REPALO, the best workshop for engineering, upgrades and rebuildings of used demolition top tools. If you are going to buy a cracker, the market is full of them. Any size, any brand, any model, they are everywhere. But what we're going to do today is put you in the condition to assemble or even produce your own 2000 kilo crusher concrete pulverizer at home. We will provide you a full-scale DVG drawings project with specification and description of the main items like piston, motor gear, rotation unit, and we will put you in the condition to build or assemble it at home. If you want to know more about this amazing, revolutionary offer, please get in touch with us. For the moment, thank you very much for watching REPALO. Keep following us.